Experiencing a black screen issue in Genshin Impact on your iPhone? In this video, I will provide 4 advanced and easy troubleshooting guides to help you fix this problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the Genshin Impact app. Open the App Store, type Genshin Impact. Now if you found any update, please update the app. But if you don't have any updates, then Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search Genshin Impact, tap on it, tap Offload app, tap Offload app again, tap Reinstall app. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Background app refresh, tap Background app refresh again, select Wi-Fi and cellular data. Go back, find out Genshin's Impact, and make sure to toggle on this option. Solution 4. Check and free up iPhone storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage and check your storage capacity. If you are running out of storage, then free up your iPhone storage. To free up storage on your device, consider deleting unnecessary apps, games, photos, and videos. By removing these items, you can create more space and potentially improve the performance of your device. And then restart your iPhone. I hope that one of this process will resolve the black screen issue in Genshin Impact on your iPhone. If you still encounter any problems, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.